Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, and it's February 16th. Happy Friday to you guys. Great weekend here. We got probably a long weekend here. We got Monday, President's Day, so there will be no recording on Monday as markets will be closed. Let's jump into it. We do got a few data to go over, and we'll start off with housing starts for the month of January. So December's numbers are actually revised higher at 1.209. Forecasts were at 1.24 million, and it came at 1.326 million, blowing that out. So at the revised version, came up 10%. But if you take out take out the revision, it was up 12%. So this is some pretty hot numbers here in the housing sectors. Now we also got building permits, so future building, and we go from 1.3 million in the month of December all the way up to 1.36. I'm sorry, 1.396 million, almost 1.4 million. So pretty hot housing numbers there. This is kind of in line with what we saw yesterday with the NAHB Home Builders Index, which shows their confidence that it was a high number, and this is kind of showing in the housing starts and permits. Obviously, we need new housing as we need more inventory, and kind of how new houses is kind of helping fill that void a little bit. Uh, Import price index. This is kind of showing how weak the U.S. dollar is. So in December we had a 0.2% increase, and in January it jumped up 1%. And of course we could pretty much attribute that to the weaker dollar. Consumer sentiment for the month of February. So our last reporting was at 95.7. Forecast, so it's supposed to have a slight dip to 95.3, and it jumped all the way up to 99.9. So February, again, people are feeling much better about where things are heading and where they're going. So good things are happening here in the economy wise. So let's jump over to the headline news. Stock market is currently up. Why the reversal here? Basically, they are realizing that the economy is growing, but just not at the overheated pace as they were concerned about. That would lead to maybe a more aggressive approach from the Fed in terms of their rate hikes. So that's the so this week we've had pretty much increases every single day. So a nice little rally or rebound from last week where they got pretty much slaughtered with those 1,000-day drops in the Dow and such. So here's a look at the bond market. We are up. Currently, we're still in that downward trend, as you can see here. But we got a little room to go in this area. We're up about 23 basis points, which translates to better pricing than what we saw yesterday. So good news there. Slight improvement in our interest rates today. Take a look at the Treasury. So it's kind of at the expense of the yields. The yields are down about 4 or 5 basis points, right, about 4 basis points. We're about 2.86 right now from where we left off yesterday. Yesterday we did stop just above the 2.9, I believe it was like at 2.91 mark there yesterday. So unfortunately, obviously we want to try to keep this resistance, keeping this this resistance level here down, keeping it downwards. So if it goes up, we got another 10 points or so, 10, 14 points that could push rates even further higher. Mortgage-backed securities pushing them further down and then raising rates even more. So this is kind of where things are at. That pretty much wraps things up. Rates are a little bit better today. Again, Monday next week will be pretty light. So we don't have President's Day will be on Monday, so we'll be off on Monday. Won't be any recording. We only really have 2 economic days next week, and that is on Wednesday and Thursday. The other days simply don't have any economic news, so we'll be taking its cue from geopolitical and other items of interest that could pop up there, or corporations news, corporate news and such. So anyways, but if you guys want to get more data, today I'm going to be a little light. I'm taking more of a family day today, but I will post the closing at some point today after close on there. But today I'll be a little light. But other terms, other days, if you want to get more data, just come over to Twitter. I do post on Twitter underneath my handle, Mike Bjork. Hope you guys have a great weekend here, and thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys actually on Tuesday. All right, bye-bye.